The much-anticipated Apple event on September 12th, featuring the Wanderlust iPhone, is just around the corner. It's hitting me now that all the leaks, rumors, and speculations are on the verge of being put to rest. Apple is poised to either exceed our expectations or potentially leave us fans a tad disappointed. The level of hype surrounding this event has been off the charts for the past few months. But for the moment, let's focus on the latest batch of leaks, rumors, and updates that have surfaced since Apple officially announced the event last week. To kick things off, let's dive into what's new with the iPhone 15 lineup. There has been recent discussion about the possibility of naming the larger model of the upcoming iPhone 15 as the Ultra instead of the usual Pro Max. This speculation arises from considerations about different RAM configurations with the A17 chip. However, Mark Gurman has mentioned that, at present, there's confirmation for only one high-end model with a 6.7-inch display, and it will be named either the Pro Max or the Ultra. He's still uncertain about the final name. Nonetheless, a recent leak seems to suggest that it will be called the Pro Max, while the Ultra might be introduced next year. Regarding the wallpapers for the iPhone 15 Pro, some designs were leaked recently. Various renders based on these designs have surfaced, showcasing an impressive aesthetic, albeit somewhat reminiscent of those seen on the iPhone 14 Pro. Furthermore, Makoko has confirmed the color options for the Pro models, which include gray, a specific silver/white shade, black, and a darker blue. Sonny Dixon even provided visuals of these exact colors in one of his tweets, adding credibility to the information. As for the standard iPhone 15, the colors appear to be more subdued and pastel-like, possibly lacking in saturation. However, it's worth noting that the accuracy of these colors remains uncertain. We were given a chance to examine 4 dummy models, including the Pro Max and the 15 Plus. Notably, there's a subtle curve around the edges that provides a pleasing feel. I believe the actual 15 lineup will feature an even more refined curvature. Additionally, the Pro models have an action button, whereas the regular models stick with the familiar Ranger switch. Apart from these details, they bear a striking resemblance to the iPhone 14, to the extent that many might not discern any significant differences. Don Roy showcased Apple's new fine-woven case on Twitter. Initially met with some skepticism, Majin Buu later corroborated it with a variety of photos, offering intriguing insights into the fine-woven twill technology, which promises a smooth and premium feel. He also mentioned an approximate price of around $100 for these cases, which is quite substantial. Soon after, Sonny Dixon provided further confirmation with a live hands-on video of the case in action. Finally, Mark Gurman reposted it, affirming the authenticity of this upcoming case. Kasutami-san on X revealed the array of new colors for this fine-woven case, which include black, mulberry, taupe, evergreen, Pacific blue, wisteria, antique white, butter yellow, orange, and pink. The main thrust behind this case is Apple's shift away from genuine leather in favor of more environmentally friendly materials, according to Mark Gurman. This transition, backed by various leakers, presents a significant opportunity for third-party case makers like Nomad, known for their genuine leather cases, which are likely to experience a surge in demand given Apple's discontinuation of genuine leather options. Continuing with our updates, several companies, including Anker, have unveiled a range of new USB-C chargers, cables, and accessories. This move underscores their confidence that Apple is on the verge of bidding farewell to the Lightning port and making a permanent switch to USB-C across the entire iPhone 15 lineup. Furthermore, Belkin and Mophie introduced their new Key 2 wireless chargers, aligning with the ongoing rumors that Apple's iPhone 15 series will support Key 2 charging at speeds of up to 15 watts, even when using third-party chargers. Previously, such speeds were exclusively attainable with Apple's official MagSafe charger. Interestingly, there have been recent leaks and speculations suggesting that Apple might enhance the official MagSafe charger to deliver up to 20 watts, adding an extra incentive for customers to opt for Apple's charger. Additionally, there's a growing number of reports discussing potential price increases for the iPhone 15 models. DigitTimes senior analyst Luke Lin has weighed in on this matter, joining a chorus of others. It's becoming increasingly likely that we should anticipate the Pro and Pro Max models to become $100 to $200 more expensive. Moving forward, there's a fresh leak from Aaron P613 on X indicating that DoorDash is actively developing live activity support. This development aligns well with our expectations for the new iPhone 15 and 15 Plus models, which are anticipated to bid farewell to the notch and embrace the dynamic island feature, similar to what's currently present on the 14 Pro models. Mac Rumors has also published an informative article summarizing all the noteworthy changes to the camera system across the entire iPhone 15 lineup. This includes the introduction of a new 48-megapixel camera on the regular models, featuring a faster f/1.6 aperture, distinguishing it from the sensor on the current Pro models. This upgrade might potentially outperform the camera on the current 14 Pro. Interestingly, the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are purportedly undergoing changes on the 15 Pro models, with slightly higher resolutions. Of particular note, the 15 Pro Max is slated to boast a periscope lens, which I believe will offer variable zoom capabilities ranging from around 3x to 6x transforce, has also released an update asserting that the iPhone 15's camera enhancements will be the highlight of the show, significantly influencing potential buyers. Finally, in the realm of iPhone 15 leaks, there's some controversy surrounding the new USB-C port. A survey conducted by CellCell revealed that 63% of randomly selected iPhone users indicated that the shift to USB-C could be a motivating factor for them to upgrade to an iPhone 15. Of this group, 37% expressed interest in the prospect of using a single cable for their iPhone, Mac, and iPads. However, on the flip side, UBS analyst David Vaught suggested that the introduction of the new USB-C port could potentially dissuade some customers from upgrading, given the need to transition all their cables, potentially leading to a delayed decision-making process. Now, let's shift our focus to the Apple Watch. We're anticipating the introduction of the Series 9, which, while bearing a strong resemblance to the Series 8, will feature a new chip and upgraded wireless specifications. Additionally, a fresh pink color option will be introduced. The Ultra 2, on the other hand, will also receive a new chip and will now come with a sleek black titanium metal finish. In addition to these hardware updates, Mark Gurman has disclosed that Apple has initiated experiments with 3D printing for device manufacturing, commencing with the Series 9 models. This innovative technique, known as binder jetting, enables Apple to print a device's outline very close to its actual shape using a powdered substance. A subsequent step utilizes heat and pressure to compress the material into a substance that mimics steel, which is then further refined through milling. This development holds significant potential in enhancing Apple's sustainability efforts, bolstering eco-friendliness, and potentially improving their profit margins. Moving forward, the Apple Watch is set to debut a novel magnetic watch band, potentially crafted from the same fine woven material featured in the new cases, offering a cohesive aesthetic. Recent leaks also suggest that it may be available in similar color options. Taking a more drastic turn, there's intriguing speculation that Apple may completely discontinue their leather watch bands for the Apple Watch Series 9, in a move aligned with environmental sustainability. Mark Gurman has mentioned that Apple is offering substantial discounts on Hermes watch bands, with some originally priced at $850, now reduced to $85. But this offer is exclusively for employees. This move indicates Apple's efforts to clear inventory before the upcoming event, suggesting a potential shift away from genuine leather bands and cases. Regarding the Apple Watch, aside from these potential changes, not much else is expected to be different. Now, let's turn our attention to the new AirPods Pro with USB-C. According to Mark Gurman, these new AirPods Pro will not have any hardware changes aside from the switch to a USB-C case. This update, while straightforward, may not have a significant impact, considering the AirPods already support MagSafe charging and wireless charging with the Apple Watch Puck. Moving on to the iPad updates, there's a possibility we might see a new and updated iPad mini or iPad Air at the September event, although the information on this is currently sparse. Mark Gurman did mention that Apple was considering the release of a 14.1-inch iPad this year, resembling a larger-sized budget iPad, but they ultimately decided against it, despite being very close to its release. And there you have it. These are the latest leaks and rumors right before Apple's event. If you're as eager as I am, feel free to subscribe above. You can also check out the iPhone 15 camera specs leak video right over there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.